China is having an important political meeting, which we call two sessions. Our Premier Li Qiang presenting the work report to those attending two sessions. So the target for the economic growth is set around 5%, and the inflation rate target to around 2%. If the whole world is paying attention to 5% growth rate target, I would recommend you to shift your attention more towards this inflationary target. And if we could, lift the Chinese economy out of the deflation trap towards 2%, and that actually is going to be making the Chinese economic growth a lot more healthy. And China has set the government deficit GDP ratio to 4%. And this would really give the government more resources, both to alleviate the pressure of local governments in their budget spending, because all local governments are really suffering from the past few years pandemic period, and they are short of money. And so this stimulus first is very much useful for them. But also China has a lot of other things to do. In the past, China stimulates real estate sector and the infrastructure sector. Now, I think China is shifting more towards so-called people-centered development, meaning that we have a lot of service sectors, including medical, elder care, traveling, tourism, and so on. From now on, the money is not invested in bricks, okay? Rather, it's invested in people. And if we could really increase this kind of service quality for people, both the urban people and the people from rural side, I think that will definitely give a huge boost to China's consumption. And so this is a natural bridge from investment-driven to consumption-driven. So the signal is very positive that China is going to stabilize the economy in the short run and doing effective transition from investment-driven to consumption-driven and moving towards more modernized economy.